right, moving on. We got a newsletter
Subscribe to our
request.
newsletter.
Sneaker Freaker. Big ups.
Oh yeah, the
Colorway the Mamba
I'll probably buy
inspired
these.
colorway. These are white on white.
Yeah,
That's a clean looking white on white.
I want the other Air Forces.
I know it's the black. Oh no, the yellow ones.
Yeah. Like, and there's nothing wrong with these, but
I
from
like
a
that.
distance, they just look like white on white.
I mean, yeah. I mean, they're probably the same quality as those OVO. You know, Nocta
Sometimes it
ones.
was a banger.
A Nocta?
Yeah.
I like them. Yeah, I like
Air Force
the soft colors that they put out, like the yellows and the green ones. I
Yeah.
get some of those.
but these are hard.
Yeah, these
These are another
white.
shoe I'd never wear.
Yeah, for collect. I just sold my Kobe. I had the other Kobe white ones that came out like late last year, I think, with the yellow
Forces?
swoosh. Yeah, the Forces, the yellow swoosh.
Yeah, I like those. They had a little pop of color to them. They had the yellow swoosh with like purple outline on the swoosh.
Mhm. Yeah, I sold
Yeah,
those
see,
though.
them good.
I'm never gonna wear them.
Why? Kobe's the greatest player of all time. Should
He's
never
all
sell.
right. Yeah, he's good.
Well,
Nah, I mean, I had to.
real
I just
talk.
didn't too many Air Force Ones, and it wasn't a
Was
colorway.
Kobe a
I
big
wear.
Air Force One wearer? Because I swear, like,
They had a
That's
bunch
right.
of Air Forces with him. Remember they had the one with the picture, his own
Yeah.
picture on the
I don't
side.
remember that one. I remember the Air Force ones that had LA on the side.
Oh, you never
Yeah.
seen the one with his picture on it?
Uh-uh.
I don't know if those are like customs or friends and family, but you see look them on StockX. They're pretty damn clean. But those are going for like a couple of G's after he passed. And
Have y'all seen the yellow ones?
But yeah, the yellow ones. That's the one he likes.
Yeah,
They're
coming
coming
got
out.
the 8 on the back. Yeah.
they're
I
coming
need
out soon.
The 24th.
Yep.
I got
But
my
these-
eyes on a pair.
I'm definitely gonna go for these. And Air Force Ones are the wave now. I don't know. I looked up the pricing on Air Force Ones. All of them gone up a bit.
Bro, they're $120 now. They used to be $90. Don't get me started, bro. They used to be the beater shoe of all beater shoes.
Oh, they still
Like,
are.
they
I'm talking about like
dirty.
the special editions, like the collabs
Oh, yeah.
and all that shit. All of them.
Yeah.
Oh, let me go back and get a pair of linens while they're still cheap there.
Yeah, I mean it might go, but that like use the Concrete Boys one, which I'm very surprised. I sold mine for $275 2 weeks
Yeah,
ago,
You
and now they're
launching.
500.
Well,
Yeah,
yeah,
that's-
that's
that
'cause it's
shoe
Yachty,
is-
bro.
But like the
Yachty.
first one is still regular, but that patent leather one, I don't know, man. I don't know if they inflating it or they doing a Universal Music Group and inflating the streams. But like I looked on the aftermarket, that shoe was like,
It's almost 500 for our
yeah,
size.
like what the fuck?
I was
That's what I'm
damn
saying.
surprised. I sold it pretty high too. I thought 275 was going to be the ceiling, and it would drop. You know what I mean? Because I sold it like as soon as I got it, because I saw the prices were pretty good. So I was like,
Man,
all right,
you know,
I don't
all
really
these
like
kids
this.
nowadays. They like all them flamboyant colors and shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I saw some of the fit pics. I told you in chat. I was on the text thread. I was like, damn, these I got some of these. I was like, damn, I could have made those work. And
Man,
they
they
do look
look
pretty
like some-
dope on the feet. But
They look like
I
some
know.
Ronald McDonald would wear.
Yeah, they got that roster look. Like
Yeah.
shout out Yachty, man. Nike is using him for everything, but them joints were not for me.
Yeah.
But if I know how much they was gonna go for, I would have got a pair.
Woo.
No, facts.
Boy, you
I
could have bought
definitely-
a couple of pairs on the aftermarket a week after they came out, under $300. Now
And
they're
still would have made a good little.
oh, you'd have
flip,
made
yeah.
some money. Yeah. I feel like I lost money on that shoe. Now
Them
I'm
overseas
thinking about
boys,
it.
them overseas boys so used to making Air Force Ones and Babes. You can get a rep pair and flip.
Not doing it. Not doing it. No reps
You
here.
can cross the water.